If you want to unlink your Uber Eats account from Facebook, follow these simple steps to ensure your accounts are no longer connected. Step 1. Open the Uber Eats app. Launch the Uber Eats app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into the account you wish to unlink from Facebook. Step 2. Access account settings. Tap on the profile icon or the menu icon in the app. Look for the account or settings option to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to linked accounts. In account settings, find the section labeled linked accounts or social media accounts. This is where you can manage your connections to other platforms. Step 4. Select Facebook. Locate the Facebook option within the linked accounts section. Tap on it to view the option to unlink your account. Step 5. Unlink the account. Follow the prompts to unlink your Uber Eats account from Facebook. Confirm your choice when prompted to ensure the disconnection is completed. After completing these steps, your Uber Eats account will no longer be linked to your Facebook account. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Uber Eats customer support for assistance.